Place the lower mold on the heating ring. Thermocouple facing right. Install the top paper tray. The top paper tray has a limit block. Insert the lower mold according to the limit block. Slightly adjust the position of the lower mold so that the top paper tray is fixed firmly in the lower mold. You can screw on the 3 fixing screws at the bottom, but not completely locked. Check that the top paper tray and the edge of the lower mold are not touched. The top paper tray can move up and down flexibly. And make sure it is concentric with the lower mold and the gap is even. After confirmation, you can lock the 3 screws. Screw the top paper cylinder into the top paper tray. The cylinder is limited by a nut, and the screw sleeve is needed to confirm whether it is in place. Place the screw sleeve on the cylinder and lift the cylinder to the highest point. The screw sleeve enters the groove and is 3 to 5 mm higher than its surface. The cylinder position can be confirmed. Then lock the nut. Install the screw sleeve and screw. Then lock them separately. Fix the cylinder. Find the air inlet and outlet pipes of the cylinder. Connect to the air inlet and outlet of the cylinder. Then install the paper holder and close it to the lower mold. Lock the screws of the paper holder. Screw in the thermocouple screw. Then lock the nut. Install the upper mold below, place it on the lower mold, embed it, and keep it close. Adjust the position of the upper mold. Align the hole with the machine hole. Move the machine to fit the upper mold to easy for the alignment of the holes. Make sure it is not tight. Leave a gap of 2 to 3 mm. Allow the upper mold to rotate freely. Then screw in the fixing screws, but do not lock them first. After all 4 screws are screwed in, press the machine to fit the upper mold tightly. At this point, you can lock the 4 screws to fix the upper mold. Finish the installation of the paper tray mold.